Hello, my fellow lovers of beauty. I am back with a quick share of how I chose to restore my leather sofas, in particular, the headrest of my leather sofas. I found this leather restoration kit on Amazon.com. Included in that kit is a filler if you have cracks in your sofa. There's colors of white. You get a cleaner. You also get a cleaner kit. You get a chocolate leather color, 2 sponge applicators for application of the colors. With all of these colors, you are to mix them to get the desired color for the leather that you're restoring. That is the purpose of them providing you with the multiple colors. So that black, the white, and the chocolate are your main colors that are used to create your desired color. You also get instructions, of course, for the application. The cleaning solution I chose to mix in this Windex bottle. Applying the cleaning solution, I simply sprayed it on directly to the sofa and cleaned it off with a microfiber cloth. And I chose to use my own microfiber cloth. And this entire process, guys, as you will tell, was fairly easy and quick. Now, granted, I only had a small amount to cover, but it still went by really easy. The instructions, everything, very simple and to the point. After waiting a day for the cleaning solution to dry, I then went in with the application of the color. Because my sofas are chocolate, I did not attempt to create or mix any of the other colors. I went in directly with the chocolate bottle of color for my application. In applying the color, as you can tell, I had placed some of the chocolate color in a small container. And I simply dabbed the sponge into the container, putting some chocolate on there, and just tapped it with the with the sponge applicator all over the headrest. Because my sofa has a faded appearance with the chocolate color, I only did one application. I did not go back in for a second application. And as you guys can tell, look how quick and easy that is. It's already so much better. Same thing at this headrest. I simply dabbed my sponge applicator into the color and just dabbed it on the headrest. I kind of started getting some circular motions going with the process because I wanted to kind of add to or accentuate the faded appearance. So in order to keep my, this restored, to keep it, and I have it fade back out at the headrest, what I've purchased are these pleather, what I'll call them, headrest covers for your sofas. I purchased these at Amazon, and they are not as wide or as big as I thought they would be, because that seems like that is a pretty big piece of space, and I thought it would cover the entire space, but
It will not, because I've tried it already. So I expected it to cover it like this, right? And I guess to some degree, let me see if I can back that up and show you guys. So if I try to, and you adhere this with Velcro. So if I try to tuck it like that from side to side, or Velcro it from side to side, it would be okay. But that just doesn't look right to me, you know, because you have all of this space up here. It just doesn't look realistic to me. So I think the way that I'm going to adhere it, and again, I purchased it because I thought it would go like that. And again, I guess if I were to Velcro it like that, it could go this way. But I'm thinking the way that I'm going to adhere it may be like this. So, but have it kind of tucked like this. So that's the way I'm thinking I'm going to end up Velcroing it, because for the most part, if I do it that way, it does still cover the majority of the headrest. So, and I think if I only bought 4 too. I didn't buy one for this here because no one really ever sits there. No one really ever sits in either of those two, but I still needed to balance it out. So I'm thinking I'm going to, adhere them like so, because it still covers the majority of the headrest and it still looks nice. Whereas the other way, it looks unnatural.
Alright guys, here are some more quick pics of the finished product. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've gotten some inspiration. If you have any questions or comments regarding anything you've seen in the video, please leave them below and I will gladly get back to you. Continued blessings to you all, guys.